In the thriving, future-oriented world of Dubai, they don't do things by halves. They think big. So Dry Docks World Dubai was the logical site for a mammoth conversion operation, transforming the double-hull, ultra-large crude carrier FSO Africa into a state-of-the-art floating storage and offloading vessel designed to meet the exacting demands of the ever-growing offshore business. This conversion was so extensive and the attention to detail so meticulous that it took 18 months to complete, as long as the original construction. Hardly surprising when you consider that the FSO Africa was the world's largest double-hull tanker, twice the size of a luxury cruise liner, longer and heavier than an aircraft carrier. Its dimensions are staggering. At 380 meters from bow to stern, it's as big as 4 football fields. So a jog around the deck is a mini marathon. It's 88 meters across and 34.5 meters deep from the deck to the keel. The conversion has created accommodation for 84 personnel, including 54 crew members and up to 30 others, including relief crew and other field support. Below decks, it's divided into 3 rows of 21 tanks, each one larger than an Olympic swimming pool. That's a total capacity of about 3 million barrels, enough to fill 15,000 oil trucks. And with reinforced twin hulls to prevent leaks and spills, it's strong enough to carry 7 times its own weight in crude oil, halfway around the world. Now, in its new identity, the Africa is quite simply the biggest platform in existence worldwide, the Rolls-Royce of the offshore business. It has the capacity to process approximately 20,000 barrels per hour or 400,000 barrels per day of crude oil. That's equal to the daily oil consumption of a country like Greece. This unique conversion project incorporated leading-edge technologies, backup systems, and treatment facilities. To fulfill this incredible mission required close collaboration between a small army of specialists. Captains, naval architects, engineers, electricians, officers, crew members, with peaks of 2,500 men on board the vessel and at shore facilities on a daily basis. The result of all their efforts is a state-of-the-art platform that will be fully operational for years to come. But how exactly does the platform work? The platform processes crude oil extracted from a reservoir below the sea floor through a single-point mooring system. Platform fluids are transferred via an underwater pipeline through a floating buoy to the vessel, where the oil and water are heated, accelerating the separation of the 2 compounds. Once separated, dry oil is transferred to separate storage cargo tanks, then offloaded to export vessels. Stripped water is then purified to meet the strictest environmental standards and can either be returned to the sea or to the underwater source reservoir. Just 2 examples of the environmentally friendly equipment. First, the Westphalia water treatment plant, an oily water separator which thoroughly cleanses and purifies the water before returning it to the sea. It includes 9 centrifugal oily water separators with a capacity of 5,000 barrels per hour. Second, 2 volatile organic compound recovery units which prevent emissions of primarily greenhouse gases from entering the atmosphere. This unique and innovative technology further reduces the vessel's environmental footprint by capturing, re-injecting, and then returning such gases to the cargo tank. The conversion work comprised massive heating coils installed in cargo tanks to accelerate the separation process, fully redundant operating systems, including 5 cargo offloading systems with a capacity of 5,000 cubic meters, 8 diesel-driven generators with a total capacity of 15 megawatt, enough to power 15,000 homes per year. Additional fire and safety systems, and fully redundant electrical and switchboard systems. The largest cargo control room ever installed on a vessel. Dual cargo handling and metering systems. Steel structures coated to high specifications, and all piping fully epoxy coated to protect this wonderful asset against corrosion and extend its working life. A helipad with refueling capabilities and facilities for arrivals and departures. 2 hose reels which can handle 350 meters of 20-inch hose for primary export, capable of exporting 90,000 barrels per hour, or over 2 million barrels per day. That's about 2% of the daily worldwide consumption of crude oil. 2 huge cranes located amidships with a safe working load, SWL, of 34 tons and outreach of 30 meters certified for personal transfer. A bow mooring system with 2 chain stoppers of 500 tons capacity each for single-point mooring. The platform is designed to export oil either by accommodating the vessel in tandem mooring or moored on her port side for ship-to-ship transfer. And these are only some of the platform's innovative systems, which ensure that the Africa now takes pride of place among the most sophisticated state-of-the-art platforms in the offshore industry, designed with tomorrow in mind.